Hello students, in this video chapter 3 in the earliest cities of NCERT of class 6 history is available. Okay, your chapter is in the earliest cities. First of all, I want to discuss about what is civilization. The stage in human's life when they look for more than just fulfillment of their basic requirements or their basic needs, and it can be understood by the following features. Okay, the first one is the society is divided into various socio-economic groups of civilization segments. Segment means part. Okay, people reside in towns and cities for their development. People are specialized in economic activities. People communicate through language. Various types of art and craft exist. There are a large number of trade centers. Development of technology takes place. There is good government to maintain law and order. Now some examples of the civilization: Egyptian civilization, Mesopotamian civilization, Chinese civilization. Okay, and there are some reasons also for which why civilization arose in the river valleys. Okay, why civilizations arose in the river valleys? The river water could be used to grow fruits, vegetables and another crops also. A good pasture land nearby was used for animals to graze on. The rivers provided ready means of communication and transport. Now, the story of Harappa. Okay, the earliest city of subcontinent. Now, what do you mean by subcontinent? A subcontinent is a part of longer continent made up of a number of continents that form a large area. Okay. Now, the earliest city of subcontinent, the earliest cities in the subcontinent, you can see in the map also. Mohenjo-daro in Sindh was the earliest city found in Indian subcontinent. This was found by archaeologists about 80 years ago. It is in Pakistan. The earliest cities of Harappan civilization were built about 4700 years ago. The Indus Valley civilization is now called as the Harappan civilization. Understood? The Indus Valley civilization is now called the Harappan civilization. Okay. The two most important cities of the Indus Valley civilization were Mohenjo-daro and Harappa. Mohenjo-daro and Harappa. You can see in the map, it is given Mohenjo-daro and Harappa. You can see in the map, Mohenjo-daro is given here, Mohenjo-daro. Okay, and it is Harappa. Okay. Now, what were the special features about the cities? Okay, special features about the cities. Cities were divided into two main parts named upper part and lower part. Okay, upper part and lower part. Upper part of the base was smaller but built on raised platform. means archaeologists describe this as the citadel. Okay, and the part of the east was larger but lower. This is called the lower town. The walls of baked bricks were built around each part. The bricks were very well made and interlocked to make the walls strong. Okay, and in Mohenjo-daro, a special tank was constructed on the citadel. It was popularly known as the Great Bath. Understood? Now, the rest part of this chapter will be available in the next video. Okay, thank you.